Well, this is Georgia 400, the day after the 2014 snowstorm. As you can see, a lot of cars were left overnight. I guess people were sick and tired of being on the road for hours. So myself, I was on the road for 7 hours. You know, I left the office at 1, and I got to a point where after driving 7 hours, I just got sick and tired and left my car and walked about 5 miles home. So it took me 3 hours to get home. So this is what most people did last night. So my son Jeremy spent the night at school. My wife is stuck in some city 10 miles away, so I'm just getting my car back and driving home. So this is Atlanta, Georgia 400. So you can see this is what happened in the South when the government or the local city doesn't get prepared for the snowstorm. So here you go, Atlanta, Georgia 400. It's pretty much a parking lot. So 100 of people left their car, and some are just walking back now to get the car. Some ran out of gas, so that's pretty much it. So and the exit is closed, so I guess people did not want to take the exit. So here we go. Wow, this is a mess. And we have the National Guard, because we are in a state of emergency. So hi, Atlanta.